next 5 days, every morning and evening, remove a 1/4 cup of the starter and add in a 1/4 cup of flour and a 1/4 cup of water. At this stage, toss your discard into the compost or trash. Don't be a monster and forget to feed your baby. Put a Post-it up by your toothbrush or set a reminder on your phone. After 5 to 7 days, when your sourdough smells yeasty and has bubbles, we can start baking with your new buddy. If you're baking often, keep your starter at room temperature and feed once a day. If you're baking every so often, you can put your starter in the fridge to hibernate and feed once a week. When it comes time for feeding, take your new friend out for a stroll on the counter and allow it to get to room temperature. Don't remove more than 50% of your baby and replace what you take out. At this point, we can use your feeding discard for recipes too. Thanks for watching Gourmet Shut-In. Make sure that you like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys soon.